Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today, sorry guys. Today we're playing Nitrome Must Die.
Oh, two-player games. I remember that. I used to play it.
Maya, can you please go? We're in the middle of making a video. Please. I'll give you money. I'll give you $20.
You should be quiet. Okay, Maya, you should be quiet for the past 3 minutes. Then 5 minutes. Then we'll give you some money. How's that? Please, just for like 5 minutes. It's short. Wait, let me read. Okay. So you read. Read it. Lol. Nah.
Mike, can you please close your door? Can you please close your door? That's actually adorable.
Wait, okay, let me do it. Nitrome must die!
Nitrome must die!
Oh no, I'm doing. Because I'm doing that side. I'll go to the other side. The blue one. Alright. I'm the blue one. Oh my gosh. Move. Scoop. Got it. Oh, there you go. Alright, I'm ready. You ready? Shoot some damage. That's not good. Okay. Oh, tread. Come on, quick. Okay. There you go. Now, come on, dude. You take right, I'll take left. Or we take the same one. Get that. Die.
Hey guys, you're not gonna live on my left.
Ow. Oh gosh. Get in the elevator.
Collect the coins. You need to collect the coins.
Yeah.
You need to collect
Get it from
the
the
coins.
ammo or something like that. Well, wasn't that awesome?
Definitely not. I was getting more money. Well, you got more money. You banked it?
That's fine. Well, let's go, boy. Oh. Bro, what's up, guys? House, play video games. Come on, come here. Let's hide. Let's hide until all of them come. Good. So, you know what we're gonna do? What?
We're doing like 2 videos.
No, I actually only got pictures.
Shotgun!
No, but back to back, dude.
And if you guys don't know, I'm red.
No more ammo.
Ooh, let me get that. Ouch! Go in!
Got it. Now this is gonna be a joyride. Go, boy. Get some coins.
Look, I guess life's fair.
Huh?
Look at that. That's a pistol! Pistols are what
There you go.
Whoa! Yeah, guys, least it's the last level.
Oh, dude, I seriously, I wish I was at my room pad in my sleep right now.
How much money do you have? More than me, definitely. We have to punch. This is a punch.
Shout.
Well, what are you doing, bro? I've punched these dudes. I've punched these dudes.
Get a punch to the face, bro. Get a punch to the face. Let's get a punch to the face. Guys, you guys need to check out our animation channel, The Lion King, link in the description below. Vlogging channel, link in the description below. And also, we're gonna add a fan, one of our fans that we're a fan of, in the link in the description below.
Make sure you send some fan art to us at Mario and Luigi, Super Mario Bros.
And guys, and also,
Send
guys,
them on Instagram.
yeah, we'll send you at least my Instagram, because I'm gonna get a new Instagram.
We're gonna shout it out.
We're gonna have it,
In the next video.
yeah, cause it's gonna be called a TMB Insta
Although it's
TMB.
Although it's our first video now, right? We can still do something really special.
This is not our first video.
Oh.
We have multiple videos on this channel. This is not the Lion King.
Oh yeah.
This is TGMB.
Oh
Alright.
yeah. Yep, TGMB as well. I forgot that. 'Cause, you know, we don't use that. Oh.
Oh!
I got
That
your back.
is getting me so bad. Oh my gosh.
Whoa, got your back.
That's bad. You must die because you're my friend. No, I'm supposed to kill them. They're not my friend.
Not done yet. Let's go.
I'm totally terrified. You've been knocked out.
Get those upper sides. I'll get the
Pow! Pow! Why is everyone aiming for you? Where are they going to?
Dude. Let's go. No regrets.
Money don't fade away, please. No, don't fade away.
Yeah,
Alright.
sure. So, how was that? Well, that's good Pepsi. Anyway, let's go.
Love Pepsi.
Whoa, this sucks.
Love Pepsi, by the way. Love Pepsi. Not sponsored, and also I don't have it. I'm gonna get a,
guys,
not ammo. I know.
you,
Oh, God! Jen, I'm about to get a new,
there you go.
Get it! That was what I said.
Woo, gotta go. I got this.
Well, we died that fast.
Aid, get it.
No, you didn't.
That was on accident.
Look at the machine gun. We got more ammo. A lot more, actually.
Okay, let's go.
Shoot! Die!
There you go. There you go, come on.
I gotta check something.
Huh?
Check something.
So, hopefully it's still recording.
Yeah, it is. It can only record up to 15 minutes.
Good, good.
So if we would, that would be 10 minutes.
Okay. Well, come on, go.
Fridge! Guys,
Whoa, gotta go.
Guys, by the way, we might actually start up a Nitro Must Die series. Because this is just the first episode, so you guys. Yeah, you guys, forget it.
Yep,
That's my
we're
mind.
alright.
Thank you.
I need that.
Maya is such a sweetheart. She came in to check on us. She's like, are you okay? I don't want it. No! Please.
Oh, you guys could do like.
No, I don't want it. Please, God, I don't want it.
No way, I got it.
Pistol!
It's fine.
Get it!
There you go. Whoa, bro.
Get the health stick. You need it more than me.
That's awesome. I need
Get
that.
it!
Don't hurt my little boy.
I'm out of ammo!
Go. No regrets.
When you're out of ammo, it's like you're shooting a BB gun. It don't even go far.
Yeah? We're fine. Both. Yeah. Thank you.
Why is so cute? Oh my gosh.
Huh?
It's
You.
adorable.
Oh
said,
no.
I love you.
Look at this. That's not good. I'll keep you safe. Oh! I'll keep you safe. Stand behind me.
I need that.
It's fine. I'm gonna keep you safe no matter what.
I need ammo.
I'm gonna keep you safe no matter what, dude.
And this dude is the exact
Oh
same.
no.
This Luigi is the exact same. Luigi is the exact type of person that's like, oh, I got to say, when legit he's taking everything that you need.
Dude, come on. Freaking ammo. I need that. You got this by yourself?
I got it.
Got him. Ooh, get these coins.
Oh yes, I love it.
Woo, boy.
So guys, we're gonna have to end it here.
For now.
Yeah, sadly. I'll see you in the next video. All else thing I gotta say? Bye bye.